ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro Review, a smart window cleaning solution. Cleaning windows, especially large or high ones, can be a tiring and risky task. The ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro is designed to solve this problem with its intelligent cleaning system, dual cross-water spray technology, and smart path planning. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. Design and build quality. The Winbot W1 Pro features a sleek, compact design in a neutral gray color. It measures 10.6 inches by 3.1 inches by 10.6 inches and weighs only 3.3 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to handle. The robotic form factor allows it to attach securely to glass surfaces using 2800 PA suction power, ensuring a firm grip while cleaning. Key features and performance. One of the standout features of the Winbot W1 Pro is its dual cross-water spray technology, which effectively dissolves dirt and stubborn stains. Combined with WinSlam 3.0 path planning, it ensures a complete and efficient cleaning with 3 modes: quick cleaning, deep cleaning, and spot stain removal. The edge detection technology makes it perfect for both framed and frameless windows, adjusting its cleaning path within 0.02 seconds to prevent falls. With a 60 ml water reservoir, it minimizes the need for frequent refills, allowing uninterrupted cleaning. Ease of use and safety. Controlling the Winbot W1 Pro is simple with app control, making it convenient to operate remotely. It runs on corded electric power, ensuring a consistent energy supply. Safety features like a secure safety rope and non-slip internal drive system provide additional protection, making it reliable even for high-rise windows. Pros and cons. Pros: hands-free window cleaning with strong suction power. Smart navigation with multiple cleaning modes. Dual cross-water spray keeps glass spotless. Works on framed and frameless windows. Position memory for easy operation. Cons: requires an electrical outlet nearby. Water reservoirs may need refilling for larger surfaces. May leave streaks on heavily soiled windows. The ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro is an excellent choice for anyone looking to automate window cleaning. With its powerful suction, smart navigation, and safety features, it's a great investment for homes and offices. If you have large or hard-to-reach windows, this robotic cleaner is a game changer. Would you try the Winbot W1 Pro for your home? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.